Right, I've started riveting the steel band onto the rims. Nice round heads, lovely. That's both sides there and there. So I'm working my way round the two outer rows of rivets first. Then when I've done that, it'll be the bit of strapping on the inside, which then I'll be riveting through this band, through the rims, through the inside strap. Right, that's one steel rim riveted to the wheel rims. I've done all the way around the two outer rows for the minute, and the ends meet up nicely, and I got some nice round heads on my rivets. So the next job now will be to put the strapping on the inside. Right, I've riveted one of the straps in there, so that's riveted right through the outside band, the alley rims, and that inside strap. Nice round heads. I carry on and put the other two bits in. Right, that's one rear rim riveted up. 164 rivets. Same again on the next one. Right, that's the outer metal band done on the second wheel rim. Now I've got to do the inside straps. Right, that's both rear wheel rims all riveted together. Good. Right, I've finished riveting the metal bands and the rims together on both rear wheels. That takes longer than what you think actually, so never mind. Also what I've done is marked the holes for the spokes in the rims, both flanges. Now I can start bending the spokes. This spoke here, you can see I've bent and put in place already. That's on this top flange going to the underside of the hub. The next one, which will be here, every other one is going underside of the hub. And these ones that I've got placed in already will be bent and fitted onto that lower flange there, bent up and onto this top face of the hub. Before I do that, on the drawing there's an oiler I've got to drill in the hub here, and on the drawing it's screwed in but it's bent, so I think it'll be easier to make that, fit it first before I start fitting these spokes. That'll be in the next video. So please subscribe to my channel and join me as I build a 2-inch Fowler Showman's traction engine.